Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel German In our previous video, we have explored numbers from 0 to 20. Today we are diving deeper by learning numbers from 21 to 100. This knowledge will greatly enhance your ability to communicate fluently in German. I'll guide you through each number, providing both English and German translation. So let's begin. Deutsche Zahlen 21 bis 100. Noch einmal. Deutsche Zahlen 21 bis 100. In English, it's quite straightforward. We say 21, 22 and so on, with the tens place remaining constant. However, in German, it's a bit of dance. We start with the unit digit, then add un, which means and finally the tens digit. For example, 21 becomes einundzwanzig, 22 is zweiundzwanzig, and so forth. 1 and 20. Pronunciation einundzwanzig. Noch einmal. Einundzwanzig. 2 and 20. Pronunciation zweiundzwanzig. Noch einmal. Zweiundzwanzig. 23. Noch einmal. 23. 24. Noch einmal. 24. 25. Noch einmal. 25. 26. Noch einmal. 26. 27. Noch einmal. 27. 28. Noch einmal. 28. 29. Noch einmal. 29. 30. Noch einmal. 30. Now you continuing following the same pattern as from 21 to 29. So now the next one will be einunddreißig. Continuing following the same pattern. Zweiunddreißig, 33, 44 and so on. 40. Noch einmal. 40. Next, you have to following the same pattern of 21 to 29 for 41 to 49. 50. Noch einmal. 50. Following the same pattern from 21 to 29 for 51 to 59. Now we will be working only on in tens digit. 60. 60. Noch einmal. 60, 70. Noch einmal. 70, 80. Noch einmal. 80, 90. Noch einmal. 90. 100 or 100. Noch einmal. 100 or 100. Even. Let's practice. Now we practice to speak random mobile number in German. Example: 2, 1, 4, 7, 2, 2, 9, 8, 0, 9. Now I also give you some random numbers to practicing for you. 82. Noch einmal. 82. 53. Noch einmal. 53. 96. Noch einmal. 96. 77. Noch einmal. 77. Now you have mastered the numbers from 21 to 100 in German. Now you do practice to speaking your phone number, date of birth, age, etc. in German and share with us in the comment section. Consistent practice will improve your counting skills and increase your overall German language proficiency. Keep up the great work and feel free to watch this video again whenever you need a refresher. And please do like, share and subscribe the video so you never miss any of our existing content. And to all our returning viewers, thank you for your continued support. If you have any suggestions or requests for future videos, please let us know in the comment below. Until next time, stay awesome. Danke fürs Zuschauen.